Step into the world of G-TEC Group of Institutions, where we believe education is a passport to a better tomorrow.
An ISO 9001-2015 certified global education network with its corporate office in the vibrant city of Singapore.
Standing tall as a beacon of knowledge and innovation.
Established in 2001, G-TEC has transcended boundaries and touched lives across the globe. With centers in over 19 countries, including India, Singapore, USA, United Kingdom, Bahrain, Mexico, Iran, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Oman, Indonesia, Malaysia, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Egypt, and the African continent, we've created a global footprint.
We're not just an educational institution, we're a global phenomenon. Our network is a vast tapestry of learning opportunities.
Explore the diverse domains within our network. G-TEC Computer Education, pioneering IT excellence, offering courses in software, multimedia, hardware and networking, finance and business management, CAD Circle, AI and robotics, data science, fashion designing, logistics management, mobile technology, communicative English, and more.
The G-TEC Global Campus is your bridge to international education, linking you with over 350 top universities worldwide. GCAS, our College of Advanced Studies, offers cutting-edge undergraduate and postgraduate programs, recognized by international universities. Gensma Academy is the beacon that guides our students towards their best potential, while G-TEC Online Learning brings world-class education right to your fingertips.
G-TEC Center of Excellence, where innovation meets education, empowering future leaders in cutting-edge technologies through advanced courses. Jobs Bank, our CSR initiative, not only connects deserving students with the right jobs but also serves our mission to make professionals globally. With over 2.3 million proud alumni and a current student strength of 138,000, we've been nurturing IT excellence across every facet of information technology. Joining hands with renowned certification bodies such as Microsoft, Adobe, SAP, ACCA, IAB UK, IC3, EC Council, QuickBooks, ABMA, Autodesk, ITeS, PMI,
IELTS,
and Tally, we ensure our students stay truly global.
In a momentous stride, G-TEC Education has now become a public limited company.
Listed on the National Stock Exchange in partnership with GTEC.
This signifies our unwavering dedication to growth, innovation, and quality education.
We are not just imparting knowledge, we are shaping the future.
Transforming lives through quality education worldwide. We appreciate you accompanying us on this journey.
G-TEC Group of Institutions, where we teach tomorrow, today.